Let's construct a relationship between tangent and a circle. What is a tangent? Tangent is a line that goes through a circle once, only at once here. And it's a line, so it extends on both directions, and it hits the circle once, and that point is called a point of tangency. And when you draw a radius from center to its point of tangency, it becomes 90 degrees. That's a tangent radius theorem. Would it happen to every tangent from the center to its point of tangency? Yes, it will be always 90 degrees. So tangent to a circle theorem says a line is tangent to a circle if and only if the line is perpendicular to the radius drawn to the point of tangency. So let's try an example that applies the tangent theorem. Verify that segment AB is tangent to C at B. How can you verify it? The tangent theorem says if the radius is perpendicular to the tangent, then it is tangent, right? If this line is perpendicular to the radius, it's tangent. So we have to prove if this is 90 or not. How can you prove this is 90? If this triangle was what? A right triangle, how do you verify it's a right triangle or not? A squared plus B squared should equal to C squared if it was a right triangle, right? So what is 8 squared plus 15 squared question mark equal to 17 squared? Plug into the calculator. What is 17 squared? It is 289. Would A squared plus 15 squared be the same answer? 289, yes, that means this is right angle. So what's this line tangent to the circle? Number 3, you can also use the tangent theorem to solve this question. AB is tangent to, how do you read this? Circle C. This means circle with center C. You see, it's a circle with center C at B. Okay? If BC is 6 and AC is 10, can you find length of AB? If it's a tangent, we know this is what? 90. So then what can we do? We can just use the Pythagorean theorem, or do you see the ratio? What is 6? Isn't it 3 times 2? Isn't 10 5 times 2? Then this should be what? 4 times 2, which is 8. 3, 4, 5. If you didn't remember 3, 4, 5, what can you do? It is 6 squared plus, if I call this x squared equals to 10 squared, and x squared equals to 10 squared, subtract 6 squared, which is 100 minus 36, which becomes 64, and that is x squared, so you have to take square root on both sides to get x equals to 8.